All right, so one thing that every mountain biker needs is a good quality set of gloves. And when you jump onto pushys.com.au, you'll discover a massive range of over 800 different sets of gloves from all different brands and all different price levels. Now that gets a little confusing though, because what's the difference between an entry-level pair of gloves and a top-of-the-line level pair of gloves? That's something we're going to explore today. All right, so let's talk about entry-level gloves. Now, you pick yourself up a pair of gloves from around sort of 20, 30 bucks. This is the option from Fox. This is the Ranger. Fox have one of the largest catalogs of gloves of any brand. They've been making gloves for a long, long time. So this is their entry level. It's called Ranger. Quite typical of what you'll find from most brands. Generally, they're going to have a one-piece upper, a single-piece palm. Nothing kind of too crazy fancy on a set of gloves like this, but you know, don't get me wrong, they definitely do the job well. They're going to last just about as long as an expensive pair, but as I said, nothing kind of too fancy and flash, pretty basic as you'd expect. All right, then we move all the way up the price bracket to a top-of-the-line pair of gloves. Now, a top-of-the-line pair of gloves will set you back maybe even upwards of $100. These are the new Flex Air Pro glove from Fox. Now, a glove like this is absolutely packed with little features and little details. And really the big difference between entry level and the premium gloves, you're gonna find the construction method, definitely the materials, and altogether what that's gonna give you is a bit more feel through the glove for the handlebars. So you're gonna be a bit more comfort, a bit more control while you're riding. Not necessarily gonna last any longer than an entry level pair of gloves, but yeah, you're definitely gonna have all these like little details and the little construction methods to give you more feel for the bars, more comfort while you're riding, more breathability often. These gloves even have a little bit of padding in the D3O material in here. There's no straps or anything. It's all really custom fit. It's almost like they feel like they're tailor-made for your hand. And again, that's typical of the sort of high-end glove that you get from most brands. You're gonna get all those features where it's just a little bit more ergonomic than an entry-level glove, definitely better features, four-way stretch materials, even a bit of Kevlar, things like that. So yeah, when you're looking on pushys.com.au for a next pair of gloves, keep some of those things in mind of the difference of that price scale from entry-level all the way to the top.